Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Algebra 3. We're going to talk about simple factorizing. Simple factorizing. So basically in this lesson, we're going to factorize fully. We're going to take some of the numbers or some of the questions here. Let's take something that has a lot of work so we can cover the whole lesson, okay? Here, let's take this. Factorizing involves what? Involves breaking down elements to their prime numbers or prime factors and then writing these elements in outside as common ones and then brackets to show the factorizing part. Okay, so first let's talk about this question. Factorize fully, of course. Let's cover this, let's cover that, this and that. So in this question, factorize fully, first thing we have to do, we have to break down the element into its prime factors. So first, let's do this. 4 here, it should be broken into 2 times 2. And then we have two P's, so P, P. And then two Q's, Q, Q. And then two R's, so R, R. This is the first element of the expression. Now we come to the second one. We have a 12. A 12 is broken down into 2 times 2 times 3. And focus, when you break down elements, they should be broken into prime factors, prime factors. And then we have a P, and Q and R. Now, that's it for the second element. Now, the third element here, we have 16. 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then we have a P and QQ, which is Q squared. And by that, we broke down all the elements here into their prime factors. Now we start finding the common factors between them. So first, you need to understand this, that the common factors between three elements should be in the three groups. This means it should be here, here, and here. So you can't take it unless it is in the three groups. Now, so the first one here, we have a 2, and then we have another 2, 2, 2, 2, and we take one of each, okay? And then we have P, 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 and then we have a Q, Q, Q. As we said, it has to be in the three groups. Now, we have R, R, but we don't have an R here, so we can't take it. Now we take the common ones and multiply them by each other. So we have 2 times 2 is going to be 4 times P times Q. So we write it like this, 4PQ. Focus on this because it's very important. When you write it like this, 4PQ. What did we do? We multiplied the common ones and we only took one out of each. We don't take two from here and two from here. We only took one out of these three and one out of these three. We multiplied them. We got four. One P and one Q. So 4PQ. Now, after finishing the common ones, we open a bracket. We look at the first group. What did we leave? We left a P. So we write it P and then Q and then R squared. R squared or R power of 2, like this. Okay. And then we take the sign, which is this one, negative. And then what did we leave in this group? We left 3 and R. Very good, 3R. And then we take the sign, which is positive. And what did we leave in this group? 2 times 2 is 4. And then we have a Q. Focus on this. If we left nothing in one of the groups, let's say we took all the elements or all the prime factors in one of the groups, it means we write 1 instead of it. We don't leave it empty. We write 1 instead of it, okay? Make sure that you understand this. And this is the final answer of factorizing these three elements. Focus on the steps, focus on the idea of factorizing, and you'll get the right answer, okay? That's it for this question. I hope you got the idea. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.